So God is symbol of perfection. You cannot deny this. He is symbol of grace, love, beauty, and perfection. And how do you express your perfection? You think, or we all think, that only human beings' lips are smiling. But in this universe, everything, every particle is smiling. Insect world, plant world, animal world, material world, all are smiling. They are expressing their perfection. You can see this perfection in rising sun. You can see perfection in moon, in flower, rose, in lotus, in rose, in any flower. You can see perfection in beautiful colors. You can see perfection in fragrance. So beautiful. This is not created by man. This is directly created by God. Then what is the meaning of perfection? They are expressing their beauty. And when they express their beauty and fragrance, this is symbol that they are perfect. And also they are smiling. Human being is the most wonderful creation by God, and He gave us most beautiful face, and He enabled us to express our smile, to express our perfection. And the more you express your perfection, the more you will grow, because only human beings have the greatest chance to express this perfection. And smile more. You can see this is just picture of this universe. This is origin particle. From one point, everything came. It means every particle has perfection, because all particles have come from Him. They have perfection, and at the same time, they have His smile inside. We are part of Him. We are part of Him. We also have this. Everywhere, everything, every situation, all things directly created by Him has smile perfection. If you see some sufferings or pain, this is not created by Him. Because of human being mind, He gave us great power. He gave us most developed mind, and He gave us beauty of creation in mind. He gave us power to create. This is the beauty. When we say that God created human being in His own shape, it means we have His beauty. And where is this beauty? Soul is there, but soul is hidden. Mind is also hidden, but mind still you can express. So all power of creation lies in the mind, and soul power is behind the mind. You take decision what you want to create, and soul gives power behind the screen. He gave free will. He implanted one seed of free will in everyone's mind. Why? Because He wanted to create beautiful variety, wonderful world, and that is why He gave free will. Because of this free will, we have variety of people on this earth. Einstein, like big scientist, we have so many people in the science field, in the art field, yes, in political field, in business field. So many variety we can see. This is result of free will. Can you imagine? If there was no free will, what would have happened? All people becoming scientists, or all people on this earth just becoming the artist. Can you imagine this kind of world? So it means this free will was required to create colorful world. He gave free will for this purpose, but we are not using this free will in right direction. As a result, we are creating suffering, suffering mind, and creating suffering situation. This is not God's scenario. All pains, all suffering, all diseases is not God's scenario. Professor Park said, this is smile world. You see this picture? This is smile world. And even if you create suffering, this world is still smile world, because we are just clouds. These sufferings are just clouds. This is not stable. Finally, the result is smile world. God created you with smile, which is the highest energy. You are the finest creation of this